Hello, and welcome to LSET Tech Bytes. In this video, we will learn how to install Docker on the Windows operating system. To install Docker, go to the web browser of your choice. Use the search bar to type Docker download. On this page, click on the first link that appears. It will redirect you to the Docker official website. Now to download the Docker installer file, click on the Download Docker desktop. You will see the file begin to download. However, depending on your internet connection, it will take some time to do so. Now, let's install Docker on our system. To install the Docker, double-click the downloaded Docker Desktop Installer .exe file. Docker Desktop will start. Now, to create a desktop icon, you can click on the checkbox. After clicking OK, the installation will start. It will take some time to unpack the file. Now you will see that your Docker Desktop has been successfully installed. Please click on Close. Start Docker application. Now search for the Docker Desktop in your Windows search bar. Please click on the Open button. Now, please click Accept Docker Service Agreement. Here you can select your role or simply skip it. As you can see, the desktop dashboard appears next. Create Docker account. Now let's create a Docker account. To create a Docker account, please click on the Sign Up button. Here you can choose your username, then please enter your email ID and password. To proceed further, click on the given checkboxes. Now click on the Sign Up button. You will get a verification email. Please verify. Now you will be redirected to the login page. Please log in with your email or username and password. Congratulations, you will see that your Docker account has been successfully created. Docker login. Now let's see how you can log into your Docker app with your Docker account. Click on the Sign In button. You will be redirected to your Docker dashboard. Your account has been successfully logged in. Now here, you can see the Docker Extensions option. Docker Extensions extends the functionality of Docker Desktop with third-party tools. You can install various Docker extensions such as ContainerWatch, Redis Enterprise, Selenium, Docker Debug Lab tool, and many more. Docker Verify. To verify your Docker, please open the command prompt from your desktop window. Then enter the command, Docker. It will show the action to be carried out when a Docker container starts. The next step is to determine which version of Docker has been installed. Please enter Docker version. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to LSET for more updates.